Yo, so if you're in the market for a pair of crispy Air Jordan 4s and you want to get them at an affordable price, you just like me. Like, I literally been looking for a lot of Air Jordan 4s at back to the collection, because if you guys do not know, I sold like 15 pairs of Air Jordan 4s out of my collection. It's crazy to even think about, but in this video, we're going to be talking about the best Air Jordan 4s to grab right now, going for under $300, which is pretty hard to find. But I skimmed through a couple of different sites, a couple of different apps, and I found some crispy, some dope Air Jordan 4s to put you guys on today, man. What's going on, YouTube? Thanks for tapping into another video, man. It's always greatly appreciated when you guys pull up, tap into the videos. And if you guys are new right now, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, because you don't want to miss out on any details that we do drop. And again, I'm gonna keep saying it, we are hearing the shot drop for the Air Jordan 1 UNC Toes late next week. When I get that solid date, that solid time, I'm gonna put you guys on. But go follow my Twitter right now down below to be first, you know what I'm saying, for the information to come out. And if you guys do not peep, man, check it out. We have on the auto reply OutRank tee right here, and we have on the OutRank auto reply collab hat right here. You guys know I love hats. You guys know I love a crispy tee. And check it out real quick, do a little quick 360 for you guys. Check out the back right there. And maybe you guys some B-roll as well of the t-shirt. You guys can go tap into OutRank and this auto reply collaboration. I'm gonna link it down below. And you can use the discount code TheVintage to save you 10% off your entire order. You guys not know the Air Jordan 7 infrared dropped today. I did not secure those. They did not release in my area, but a pair of sneakers that went perfect with it, that same infrared colorway, is the Air Jordan 6 infrared. So you guys are gonna see me styling these joints over on IG. So go ahead and follow me over there. See what I can do with the collab for OutRank and auto reply. Like I said, save 10% using the code TheVintage. I'm gonna link it down below. You guys always ask me where to get my crispy tees from, and this one right here is super fresh, man. All right, man. So the top Air Jordan 4s right now out on the market. It was kind of hard to find. Like I said, Air Jordan 4s always seem to just skyrocket after you forget about the release. Like a couple of months after release, them joints start to rise, and especially if you get, you know, later down the line, like a year, they're gonna be unaffordable in most people's eyes. But you guys notice I've been buying a couple of Air Jordan 4s, adding them back to the collection. I did sell, and so for the first Air Jordan 4, I want to put a lot of you guys on is the Air Jordan 4 Seafoams. Now I just unboxed these joints. I was kind of on a high when I unboxed these after I did unbox the Air Jordan 4 Topazes, which we do have right here, as you guys can see. So I picked these joints up and I picked up the Seafoams. The only thing about the Seafoams is it was a woman's exclusive, and they did not do extended sizes. So if you are in you know, fit into those women's sizes that did drop for the Air Jordan 4 Seafoam, thing went up to a men's size 10.5 if I'm not mistaken, then you were fair game at adding these to the collection. It's a super clean Air Jordan 4, that old green colorway, that money green, whatever you do want to call it. I really do love it because it kind of gives you that fire red aspect of, you know, color blocking wise. So everywhere the fire reds had that red on the 4, you got those Seafoam hits on the laces, on the inside of the sneaker, and of course on the Jumpman on the back. You didn't get the Nike Air, of course, but you did get the nice Jumpman on the back, and just an all over, all around solid Air Jordan 4 in my opinion. So if you wear size 9 like me, you could definitely go in and add these things. Going for under $300 right now, and I do not see them sitting under $300 for long. So right now, man, I'm telling y'all, if y'all got the money right now, y'all got them saved up, this will be the first Air Jordan 4 I will grab if you can fit into the sizes that did release for the Air Jordan 4 Seafoam Women's exclusive. All right, guys, next we're gonna be talking about the Air Jordan 4 Midnight Navy. So them joints released last year, if I'm not mistaken, and they look a lot similar to the white cement Air Jordan 4s. And these right here, the white cement Air Jordan 4s, are going for damn near $500 right now. Something a little bit more reasonable price that did look a little similar to these joints is the Midnight Navy Air Jordan 4s. Put a picture up here so you guys can peep. I know a lot of y'all probably, you know, took an L on that release. It was a lot of people that out of nowhere loved the Midnight Navy Air Jordan 4s. Me, myself, I even took an L. Like, that's crazy. I didn't expect to take that L, but it's still one of those things I'm looking for. So in this video, it's not just to help you guys out, it's to help me, you know what I'm saying, peep what Air Jordan 4s are, you know, in that affordable price range under $300, because it's kind of hard to find anything under $300 like I mentioned earlier in the video. So second, we have the Air Jordan 4 Midnight Navies. You guys let me know what you think about it. down below in the comment section. All right, guys, next we have the Air Jordan 4 Thunders, man. Super clean colorway. And I'm telling y'all, bro, if y'all like these, you still have not picked them up yet, you ain't paid that resale bread now, they're going for around like $230, $240 in most sizes. You might want to pull that trigger ASAP. If you don't remember what happened to the Air Jordan 4 Lightnings that released, I think a year ago or two years ago, I think it dropped in 2021, then these are already going in $300, $400 in most sizes. And I already know a clean Air Jordan 4 like the Thunders are gonna do the same thing. And if it's up to me, if I had to rank the two sneakers, I would definitely put the Thunders over the Lightning Air Jordan 4. So this is the next one, man. Check them out. Super dope Air Jordan 4. I cannot wait to add these joints to the collection. One thing I do want to put you guys on is to go up a half a size. I don't know what it was about these Air Jordan 4 Thunders that released, but they felt a little bit tighter. I don't know why, but like I said, go up half size. I recommend you guys to do when copping these joints right here. But you go check the resale prices wherever you do want. They're going for under $300 in most sizes. I know I was saying most sizes because like size 16, size 17, 18. Of course, I'm gonna go for like $1,000 because nobody wears them. It's like some of the most limited sizes when, you know, Jordan is producing these sneakers. So go ahead and check them out. Air Jordan 4 Thunders, super clean. One of my top 10 pickups of the year. All right, guys, next we're gonna be talking about another Air Jordan 4 that I am I'm eyeing them joints. Like, I really want to add them to the collection because they are low right now. I want to build that 4 collection up because 4s and 3s and 1s is literally what I wear on a daily basis. So the Air Jordan 4 Crafts is the next Air Jordan 4 I do want to put you guys on. I know they're not going for a lot of money. I know the hype isn't there. I know the resale isn't there. That's why I'm putting you guys on this video. But later down the line, like I said, that price gonna keep steadily rising, and you're gonna be like me. I always tell this story. Air Jordan 1 UNC. So if you don't know, what the Air Jordan 1 UNC Off-Whites dropped back in 2018 or 19, I can't remember the year. I think it was 2018, but I remember like it was yesterday. So I hit one on the Air Jordan 1 UNCs on StockX, and then out of nowhere, like a week later, those Off-White UNC Air Jordan 1s shock dropped, and literally that same night, the UNC Air Jordan 1 skyrocketed to like $400 or $500 when they were going for right around $200 prior to that drop. So don't be like me, man. Go ahead and grab these Air Jordan 4s I'm trying to put you guys on to. It is a clean Air Jordan 4. I think it's super easy to rock because it is that, you know, neutral color gray. And that might be the next, you know, Air Jordan 4 you guys see me unboxing because it is super affordable. And then last but not least, probably this shoe right here. This next Air Jordan 4 I'm gonna put you guys on to will be the next one that just shoots up out of nowhere. I'm already calling it right now because I checked them like 2 weeks ago. They was going for like $220. Now they're going for like $250 in my size. That little swing, that little influx is gonna keep rising, and it is the Air Jordan 4 Infrareds. And it kind of matches what I got on right now in this video, but the Infrared 4 is the shoe I had in the collection. That's one of the ones I did sell along with the Lightnings. I sold my cool grays. I sold a bunch of Jordan 4s I regret now, but just know your boys, you know, steadily adding them back to the collection. But the Air Jordan 4 Infrareds, a super clean colorway, kind of give you the same hits, the same, you know, color blocking as the Green Glow 4s. And surprisingly, I did a YouTube short where I had, you know, people choose between the Infrared 4s and the Green Glows, and a lot of people are choosing the Infrared. So the hype is starting to build on them. People are going out there trying to add these to the collection. And I already know this one, probably out of all the 5 of the Air Jordan 4s I showed you guys today, is the next one up to surpass that $300. Go ahead and add them now. Don't sleep. Don't miss out. That's one of the best Air Jordan 4s I showed y'all in today's video. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys for tapping in. Always trying to put you guys on to a couple of, you know, these affordable videos for people out there trying to add new sneakers to their collection. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop. And make sure you guys go check out OutRank and the auto reply collaboration that they did. I'm gonna link it down below. You can use my discount code DaVintage to save 10% off your entire order. Again, thank you guys so much for all of the support, and thanks for tapping into today's video. With all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.